Okay. Now let's go. Whoa. Legs are burning. Go. Oh wow! Okay. Hello. Look at the views. And here we go. That's the one I missed last time. Did a little bit better. It's good. Good job. Oh, this is fun. No idea what's coming here. It's just more of the same, I guess. Deadly. Whee! Woo! All right. Oh, I like it. Oh. Yeah. Whoa. That's all right.
It's not bad. It's quite tight.
It's a bit like a Alpi kind
Definitely,
of thing.
a couple of coins like this is the Alps.
Yep. It's just fast. You just carry speed through there.
I saw you on that white car. I was like, oh.
That's the one I missed last time, and the guy just overtook me.
Just easy done there.
It's kind of washed off.
No, it's quite cool at that speed.
Yeah.
Corner behind you, and just seeing you go whoa, 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 whoa. Oh, it's just so cool.
It feels amazing.
So cool.
Yeah, we'll go straight on and see, because I have no idea what's coming. They're both new to me, so. Oh no, I didn't clip in. Sorry, Moffat. Sorry. Still clipping in. Woo!
Oh my God!
That's all right. Woo! Oh yeah. Oh my God, that's tight. Oh man, this is good. Ooh, what's my balance there? Getting carried away for riding blind. Oh. Oh. Ay, ay, ay. That was good, man.
How easy was that?
That was so good.
Oh my god, I was laughing the whole way down.
Oh, like, clearly going way too fast for a trail I don't even know.
So the first corner I was like, oh, I'm just going to reach the bucket down here. Oh my god. Oh, wow,
That's good.
fucking hell.
It's like,
Wow.
especially after doing the top bit, you kind of like get into the swing of the Burmy stuff.
Right.
That's good, man.
Honestly, I was pissing myself the whole way down it.